Guys, today I am going to be seeing if I can get as close as as to a thunderstorm. So let's do this. As you can see, it's very blue out. But look at this. Look over here. Yeah, that is bad. And I also saw thunderstorm right here. So it would be crazy if I saw another one. Guys, I'm gonna see if you guys can hear it. Let's see if you guys can hear it. Guys, I hear screaming right now. Daddy, why do I hear screaming? And guys, I swear I just saw a tornado growing. Guys, what is that? That's a tornado growing. Guys, that's a tornado growing. That's a tornado growing. And I heard lightning. So did you guys hear that? Now let's go on my front porch and see. All I see is gray. Look at this, guys. Wait. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look. You can see trees, but it's not covering the gray. Look, right there. Okay, let's go downstairs now. Now we are officially on the grass. My first time touching grass. Okay, let's keep doing this. I think I'm just gonna stay over here. Okay, look. There's still gray.
Look at see you have that gray almost shelf, and then there's like a cool white, like the white clouds.
Oh.
It looks like there's like a line of gray clouds.
Okay. Wait.
That looks kind of cool.
Wait. Let me see if I can. Oh, if I go over here, I can see it.
Lightning, picture shots of lightning.
Guys, did you hear that? Okay, guys, I hear the thunderstorm over here, but I think I'm only going 10 steps. But I think I'm only going 10 steps because I'm scared. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What happened? Look all right there. And there's another tornado growing. Is that the state? Why is there so much gray?
Well, because there's a storm. Look at that chunk of gray, but then it's all surrounded by white. It looks cool.
Wait, guys. Bird went away. Look. There's 2 birds.
Yeah, it's coming over there.
Yeah, it's coming. Guys, it's coming over here. It's coming over here. I'm running to it. The other side of the tree? What? Wait, let me see.
Right over there.
Oh.
See how dark that is?
Guys, I'm gonna show you this. Wait.
Looks like it goes.
This is the thing I was just on, that front porch right here. That front porch. Wait, I'm gonna put it right on here. Let me put the me get the camera. Look at the size of the It's going that way. Wait, I'm sure I can. You did that thing you did in my
He ruined it.
again.
He ruined the whole video.
No, you didn't.
Alright, ready to go in?
Wait, I want to show. All of it.
Okay.
Okay.
I know, funny.
I'm trying to get as close as possible to it, Dad. How far do I go?
Where's...
Daddy, take me.
I mean, I can still see you.
Daddy, be my cameraman. Take it.
Look, I'm holding Lincoln. Go ahead.
Daddy, be my cameraman. Hold the Wait. That thing? Okay. It's over here. We have to get the kind of that side.
Okay, come on.
Wait, can I kind of get to that side?
No, it's coming. Let's go. Do your thing.
Okay. Inside I will. Guys, we're running over.
Light over here. So it's coming all in from over there.
We got as close as the tornado or whatever it is. So we're gonna end it. Let me get the lights on for this, bro. Okay, if you enjoyed, bye guys.